Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 46 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to this conference on the role of teachers in building up the nation, organized by the Central Board of Secondary Education. We are highly thankful to the Union Minister who has accepted our invitation to be the chief guest on this great occasion in spite of his busy schedules. It is a great tribute to a great teacher and philosopher, Dr. Radhakrishnan, that this conference is organized on the Teachers' Day. I am sure that not only those who are in the field of education but the whole nation is paying tribute to Dr. Radhakrishnan. You will be glad to know that a large number of parents are invited to take part in this conference to have more useful discussions. Para change. Education is an important part of our social life. If we want to make people have some worth in the society, we should give them minimum education. Nowadays, in this complex world with huge competition, an illiterate person is exploited from all sides. So the need for basic education becomes still greater. Teachers are the builders of the nation in the sense they give education to the citizens, thereby help in the nation building activities. Teachers have always been placed even higher than God in our country and religion. Para change. On this occasion, I would like to mention one important aspect. Right from the beginning, our society has given teacher the position next to the parents. Parents believe that teachers shape their children well and helping them in achieving their proper place in the society. Thus, the role of parents and teachers is linked with each other. Therefore, It is important that parents and teachers should cooperate with each other in shaping the lives of our younger generation. A teacher's duty does not end with teaching lessons in schools and colleges, but also to inculcate social values in the children. As far as the standard of education in our country is concerned, I want to say that we are doing well. But of course, still much more needs to be done by our government for the improvement of educational standards in our country. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.